Hello students, today we are discuss about P block elements group 14 lo 2 marks questions part 2. And the first question, what are silicones? Write uses. Organosilicon polymers containing SiO-Si linkage are called silicones. Uses: used as electrical insulators, for waterproofing of fabrics, used in surgicals, greases and sealing. Next, second question, SiF6 is known while SiCl6 minus 2 is not. Explain. Si plus 4 is small size and a large Cl minus ion cannot accommodate to around Si plus 4. Next question, CCl4 is not dissolved in water but SiCl4 dissolved in water. Why? Answer: due to absence of d orbital in CCl4 does not dissolve in water. Second point, due to presence of d orbital of silicon accept electron pair and form SiOH taken 4. So SiCl4 dissolve in water. Next, define inert pair effect. Most important, the reluctance of NS pair of electrons to take part in bond formation is called inert pair effect. Example, Pb plus 2 is more stable than Pb plus 4. Next, catenation. Important, the phenomenon of self-linkage of identical atom to form long chains or rings is called catenation. Example, carbon shows highest catenation among all elements. Next question, write the uses of CO2 gas. Preparation of soft drinks, for preparation of urea and Na2CO3 and sodium bicarbonate also. Next, used in photosynthesis. Next, used as fire extinguishers and ice creams also. Next question, what is the effect of water in tin? Tin react with water to form SiO2 and H2. Sn plus 2H2O gives rise to SnO2 plus 2H2. Thank you.